Right, well, breakfast. What? Oh, what's that? Is that soup?
Boiled rice.
Oh, boiled rice. Ah. Right, so it's boiled rice, omelette, and morning glory. So is this just water and rice?
Oh, you want rice?
No, it's fine. No, I meant, is it water? Is it water and rice?
Yeah, they call boiled rice. That is what boiled rice. Same way. The same way you see they have rice and soup with
But it's water.
With joke.
But it's like it's got water in it.
Yeah, that is what steam. Oh, if you want it, you can drain the rice out, water out.
Can I do that? Is that alright? Because it just tastes like water.
You not see the way when you do joke.
No, joke. Yeah, but joke's got flavour. That didn't have that. The rice was just like watered rice.
No.
Am I being disrespectful of?
No, they do the sauce after. They add everything. That's why you make a test. They just have rice, water, mix together, put into the pot with the soy sauce on the bottom, peppers, garlic on the bottom. That is you feel the taste.
So a little bit of potato,
Soy sauce.
a little bit of omelette, along with some morning glory. My niece fork. Yeah. It's okay. And Aunt Timothy.
โนไม่ใช่แอนมันเป็นดอก
Dot.
มันเป็นไอยอดอ่ะ
Don't know what that is.
ยอดเลย
Still trying to find out whether there was an Aunt Timothy. Still drinking it. Omelette, rice, morning glory. Thank you.
นี่แอนคุณนี่ไม่ใช่แอน
Okay.
นี่
Okay, it's not an ant.
not แอน
It's not got my lie.
แอนก็ไม่เป็นไร
Well, I've got a job to do now. Suppose it's my job to pick up the mangoes. So I'm not 100% sure whether I pick up all of them, regardless of what state they're in. They've got quite a lot of ants on them. Well, I can feel the heat today. There we are. Oh, that's it. God, literally 10 seconds. I don't know if they're any good.
Why? Because they've been bit by squirrels.
Chai.
And we have to cut it. They are.
มะกรูด
Is it squirrels who are eating them?
Yes.
Shall I leave them out here?
Yes. The only have more video banana.
Video of the bananas.
And that
Video of the bananas.
as well. Banana.
Ah, there's the banana, yeah.
Yeah. And coconut as well, Dion.
Well, I got the coconuts because the squirrels are chomping on the coconuts.
Dion, have you seen lamb yet?
Yes.
Okay. เขาบอกเขาเห็นแล้วนะ Jackfruit.
Chai.
Jackfruit. And then ก็มีpapaya.
Yeah, I've done the jackfruit, papaya. Done everything.
Papaya ด้วยนะ
แล้วก็บอกว่า10-15 นาทีไม่ถึงบ้านแล้วคุณโทรสิ
Yeah, look, there's some down there.
Okay
No, there's some down the bottom.
because I saved it because there were a lot I never see them a lot
Okay, you're out. We're really in the sticks here. So this is Boom's uncle's house, and as you can see, there is nobody around. He is in the middle of nowhere. He built this little house, solar powered light system at the front. Last time I saw him was about 20 years ago, and he's an ex-copper. And he showed me his pistol. Let's have a look. That's not a gun. Oh, that's a rifle.
He
Commando.
is registered. It's legal, not illegal.
Well, I'm
ถูกกฎหมาย
I'm happy about that.
ถูกกฎหมายเพราะเขามีใบอนุ
No, lip lick. I'll have a small one. Ah, okay, it's got no bullets in it, which is good. We're gonna go shoot
ถ้า
anything.
ถึงจะมาบอกไป
No
บุญ
bullets.
บ้างไฟไหม
ที่ไหน
เสร็จแล้วกาลสินธุ์
กาลสินธุ์กุชินารายณ์
เมื่อ8บวชที่บอระบือบวชลูกเพื่อน
ถามมา
มาท้ายแอคชั่น
Action! Action! Always
แอ
heavy.
คชั่น
yes
Heavy, isn't it?
by your head at the moment by your head
Come
no
on.
hang on yes
Ready for war.
war
Ready for war if they come and take our land.
war no that is
และแผ่นอยู่ข้างบนหลังคา
the solar light in
You wanna have-
on the top of the roof
Oh, he's a good man. Lots of Leo bottles. Now that's rural Thailand for you. Beautiful. I'm around the middle of nowhere, yet this is the coolest it's been. Obviously, go into the city, into towns, and it's bloody hot. But here, you've got some wind. And there's a couple of dogs here. Look at this. Hello, hello. You okay? Hello. You're very sweet, aren't you? Hey? Okay. Oh, it's a good stretch.
จะติดที่บ้านไงมันจะได้ใช้ใช้อะไร
Good stretch.
อูต้องใช้ตอนที่แบบ
They're good. Oh, soft.
ชอบเลยนะ
Soft.
ชอบเลยมาทีละตัวทีละตัวมา
แม่
มา
ติดอาหารแมว
Yeah.
หนาวมากไม่มีเพื่อนมาเร็ว
อีนี่อีนี่ตัวกินอีเล็ด
Come on.
เล็ด
Yeah.
นู่นอีเป๊ะไม่ได้เป๊ะ
And there's one more.
โอ้ยใช่อีเป๊ะอีตานอยู่ที่
ตา
เป๊ะ
ลตาลมา
มาอีเป๊ะไม่ได้เป๊ะมาตาน
Another one.
นี่ตานมา
You give him one.
ตานมาไปแล้วตาน
เรามีเรา
แล้ว
Yeah.
อีเป๊ะโอ้โหอีนี่นั่นเลย
ตัวหนึ่งเลย
Oh, straight.
Uncle say that
I got a new hat.
when we were here
I'm going farming.
they didn't fighting
เดี๋ยวเอามาให้ชิม
I was just checking to see if there's any snakes in the area. He says there isn't. So I'm alright, but there might be another dog. Fields, is it rice fields? Ah, simple life, eh? Look at that. I thought it was going to be a lot hotter out here actually, rather than so cool. Boom, you calling me? Ah, it's not calling me. So we have like
Yes, so
clear soup with tofu and mushroom and